Question word who. There are 7 question words in English. And who is one of them? The question word who is used to ask information about people or persons. Who is she? She is Mala. She is a dancer. Who is he? He is Manoj. He is a chef. Who is this? This is Ram. He is a car mechanic. He will fix our car. Who is singing? Sham is singing. He is a wonderful singer. Who is crying? The baby is crying. The baby is hungry. Who are you? I am Kiara. I am dentist. Who is making noise? The neighbors are making noise. Who has opened the door? Farah has opened the door. Who is she? She is Rima. She is our cook. Who is he? He is Ram. He is an engineer. Who is this? This is Sheila. She is Rekha's tuition teacher. Who is that? That is a gardener. He works in the garden. Who is your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Inderpreet ma'am. She is very kind. Who is in the kitchen? The kids are in the kitchen. Who will host the function? Radha will host the function. She is very excited.